Hi there, Sophia here. Today I'm going to share with you all the things that I have been loving lately. So I'm so happy that you stopped by today. Let me just first start out with makeup. One of my favorite makeup brands is Rouge Bunny Rouge. I have reviewed their things before. Every time I find a new product of theirs, I'm very excited to share it with you. This time they have sent me two beautiful things. The first one is this Radiance Elixir. It is so gorgeous to put underneath your foundation or tinted moisturizer. The way I use this is I squirt a little bit in my palm and I put it on after I have put on my moisturizer. You can see all these tiny little bubbles. When you put it on your skin, it leaves the most beautiful finish on your skin. It also has a shimmer to it. So it's very lovely. It is lightweight and it penetrates nicely into your skin and just looks beautiful. So I wanted to tell you about that I believe is a brand new product. They also sent me the most beautiful eyeshadow palette. This one is called At the Chateau. I believe they have 4 different color combinations. This one has colors that go beautifully with brown eyes, I think, or green eyes. And it has a neutral, I'm wearing them today actually, it has a neutral color for all over the lid. This color is just perfect for the transition right up top. Since I have deep set eyes, I usually bring it up just a little bit higher. Don't put it right in the crease, but just above it and blend it in. Sometimes that's all I wear. I recently went to New York and this is the only eyeshadow palette I took with me because look how slim and compact it is. And it has a tremendous color payoff. This teal green is actually kind of like a smoky color. I have it under my eyes and just in the corners here on the outside and also kind of buffed in. And then it has 2 shimmery shades. One of them is peach and the other one is more of a taupe. I'm wearing this one today just here on the movable lid. I love these. You might want to check these out. They're very beautiful. They have so many other products that are cruelty-free. They're made with all natural ingredients. The colors are gorgeous. As I said, they're intense, beautiful colors, but very blendable. And also, you can create different looks with it. So check out Rouge Bunny Rouge. I'll put the link below so you can see what else they have. They've got lots of great, beautiful things. I think I'm wearing their blush today as well. They have a beautiful cream blush, which I happen to love. Everybody loves to get hand lotion. Caudalie products are so beautiful. This hand lotion is divine. It comes on very smooth and it does not get oily or tacky on the skin at all. It just penetrates and leaves your skin looking so refreshed and so nourished and hydrated. And the best part is it smells wonderful, and it's all natural products. Caudalie is a make that comes from France, and everything they have that I've tried is very beautiful. You know, I love their divine oil. I use it on my hair all the time and on my skin, and this product is another A+ for me. Another one that I just discovered, and I'm really loving it, is this Grown Alchemist Moisturizer Day Cream. Sometimes I even put this at night because it feels so good on my skin, but it is beautiful to wear alone or to wear under your makeup. It comes on, it has almost the consistency of the La Mer cream, believe it or not. It's that lightweight. It smells beautiful, and I love that it's in a tube because I don't like when I get creams that I open up the top. It's just there. It's exposed. I find it's much cleaner to use it this way. Let me just read just a tiny bit about this so you can have an idea. It's called Hydra Repair Day Cream with Camellia Geranium Blossom. Beautiful on the skin, beautiful on the neck, beautiful on the chest. The other thing that I discovered that I really love as well is this Dragon's Blood Hyaluronic Mask. Sounds very dramatic, but this is a leave-on treatment. So you can either wear a thin layer at night or you can put a thin layer on, and it is really, really nourishing to the skin. It just quenches dry skin. It's beautiful to plump up those fine lines and also to maintain hydration in your skin. I love this one. It was a really nice find for me. The other products I'm going to tell you about are hair products, and I used all of them today so you can see how they work. The first one is this shampoo by L'Occitane. Their products are so beautiful. They're clean products and they have a lot of nourishing nutrients like this shampoo. This is the repairing shampoo for dry and damaged hair. If you color your hair, if your hair gets dry from the elements, the sun, the heating in the winter, sometimes it just needs a little bit of oomph, and this shampoo does it. It really is beautiful, and it smells so good. It has almost like a spa smell. It's a very green, clean smell to it. I think you'll like it. I love it. I used it today again. I don't use it every time I shampoo because I like to alternate my shampoos, but this is one of my favorites. Another product that I think is gorgeous that I recently discovered, it's called Rhythm of the Rain Scalp Hair Mask and Scalp Detox. It comes in a tube. As you see, it is a thick emollient conditioner. I usually only leave it for a minute or two, and I take it from here down on the lengths and kind of work it in and zhuzh it in, leave it in, and then just rinse it out, and my hair feels so conditioned. It says scalp detox, so sometimes I do get into the scalp and just like rub it in. That's nice too. I don't always do the scalp. If I have time, I'll do the whole treatment, and believe me, your hair will love you for it because it really does leave your hair beautifully conditioned. Another product that is very beautiful is this Bumble and Bumble Invisible Oil Hair Mist. It comes out in a very fine mist. It's very lightweight, almost milky, but it is dry hair oil. You can spray it on wet or dry hair. It leaves your hair beautifully conditioned. It does not weigh it down at all. You don't get a greasy feeling. You just get a lovely sheen to your hair. And I think it works very well also for blow drying and for any heating products. I used hot curlers today to style my hair, but I think that it feels like it's protecting the ends when it does that. You know, it just kind of gives it that little bit of protection that's nice to have. And the big find for me was this, because I always need a good hairspray. I like volume in my hair, and we have a lot of humidity in Florida, and so therefore my hair frizzes as well. I don't have curly hair. I have just a bit of a bend to it, but it has a tendency to frizz, and especially any of you who color your hair know what that means. Sometimes the hair shaft itself gets a bit thinner or brittle, and then you need a good hairspray to kind of hold it together, but not look like a helmet. It's called GXF Magnified Volume. It smells pretty good. It sprays out in a fine mist. And this is the other thing I wanted to show you. I got it off of Amazon, but I'm loving it. I just cover my face, spray it all over, and then I don't get it on my face or makeup, and it protects me. I also do that anytime I want to use dry shampoo in. I'll hold this up as well. And the nice thing about this hairspray, it doesn't leave your hair crunchy. It's soft to the touch, very soft, but it holds. I styled my hair several hours ago, and I'm just amazed that it's holding the little bit of kind of curl that I added to it today. The last but not least item I'm going to show you is a very beautiful pajama set that I was sent by a company called Laloras. It is 100% silk and just the most exquisite color. It is the softest fabric. I love the way this collar lies flat. I don't like pajamas that have stiff collars or things that are cumbersome around the neck. I like a smooth line, and just this piping, the detail is so beautiful. The piping on the arm is just lovely. This is a size medium. It fits me perfectly. I love that it's not a deep red or a candy red. That coral red in it makes it so beautiful. And the pants are really lovely as well. They have a nice, comfortable elastic. They're not too tight at the waist. Nobody wants anything tight during sleep time. And it also has a beautiful detailing on the cuff of the pant. I highly recommend these pajamas. They're gorgeous. I'll put all the information down below. Again, the make is Laloras, and it is 100% silk and feels amazing against your skin. I hope you enjoyed my favorites for this month. I will link everything down below. Be sure to subscribe for more, and I hope you have a wonderful spring. Thank you for watching. Bye now.